What if I told you that some SUVs in 2025 are setting buyers up for failure, while others are proving to be absolute game changers? The auto industry is evolving fast, but not every model keeps up. Some SUVs look great on the surface, yet hide serious issues that could cost you thousands in repairs. Meanwhile, a few standout models are delivering unmatched value, reliability, and cutting-edge features. Today, we're breaking it all down. 2 SUVs that aren't worth your money in 2025, and 3 that absolutely are. Stick around because the last SUV on our list might just be the best deal of the year. The worst SUVs to buy in 2025. Number 2. 2025 Volkswagen Taos. Priced at $29,995, the 2025 Volkswagen Taos comes with a few updates, but its core issues remain unresolved. According to Consumer Reports, this SUV has consistently ranked among the least reliable models in its category. Despite its 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, which now produces 174 horsepower and 184 pound-foot of torque, the Taos still fails to stand out when it comes to long-term reliability. Volkswagen has attempted to address past mechanical issues with new piston rings, improved fuel injectors, and a larger intercooler. But history suggests these improvements may not be enough to prevent future failures. Another weak point is its transmission. While previous all-wheel drive models came with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the 2025 model now features an 8-speed automatic across the lineup. While this promises smoother shifting, it does little to erase the reliability concerns that have plagued the Taos lineup. Inside, Volkswagen has upgraded the materials, replacing hard plastics with softer touch surfaces. But this doesn't justify the $1,000 price increase over last year's model. While the Taos offers decent interior space, there are far better options for the same price. Number 1. 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee has a long history of being a rugged, off-road capable SUV, but 2025 isn't its year. Priced at $36,450, this model no longer delivers the value and reliability consumers expect. According to Consumer Reports, Jeep ranks dead last among 34 major automakers in terms of reliability. This alone is a major red flag for anyone looking for a durable, trouble-free SUV. Under the hood, the 3.6-liter V6 engine with 293 horsepower delivers decent acceleration, but 0 to 60 miles per hour in 8.0 seconds is slow for an SUV at this price point. While the plug-in hybrid 4xe version improves performance, the Grand Cherokee's overall driving experience remains underwhelming, lacking both sportiness and responsiveness. Fuel economy is another disappointing factor. The V6 version barely manages 20 mpg in the city and 19 mpg on the highway, making it one of the least efficient SUVs in its class. To make things worse, adding features that come standard on rival SUVs quickly inflates the price, putting the Grand Cherokee in an uncompetitive position. For similar money, buyers can get the Ford Bronco, which offers similar off-road capabilities, or the Lexus GX, which delivers higher quality and luxury. Now that we've covered the worst, let's move on to 3 SUVs that are actually worth your money. The best SUVs to buy in 2025. Number 3. 2025 Volvo XC90. For those looking for elegance, safety, and comfort without paying luxury brand prices, the 2025 Volvo XC90 is an outstanding choice. Starting at $57,400, the XC90 offers a perfect balance of technology, refinement, and performance. It comes in multiple powertrain options, including B 5-mild hybrid, a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with 247 horsepower, assisted by a 48-volt hybrid system for improved efficiency, recharge plug-in hybrid, 455 horsepower and 523 lb-ft of torque, delivering impressive speed and responsiveness. Inside, the XC90 features a modern, high-quality interior with premium materials like wood, metal, and even a crystal gear shifter on higher trims. Standard front seats include power adjustments with heating, ventilation, and massage options available on higher trims. Cargo space is another strong suit. 16 cubic feet behind the third row, 40 cubic feet with the third row folded, 86 cubic feet with all rear seats down. Number 2, 2025 Kia Telluride. Priced at $36,190, continues to be one of the best midsize SUVs available. It features a 3.8-liter V6 engine with 291 horsepower, providing adequate power for most driving situations. While acceleration isn't lightning fast, the smooth automatic transmission and comfortable ride make it ideal for long trips. Inside, the Telluride excels in design and comfort, offering heated and ventilated seats in both the front and second row, captain's chairs for added comfort, premium materials, including padded leather and wood inserts, making it comparable to luxury brands. Number 1, 2025 Honda CR-V. A compact SUV that excels in safety, efficiency, and technology. With a starting price of $30,100, the CR-V offers exceptional value. Its 1.5-liter turbocharged engine produces 190 horsepower and 179 pound-foot of torque, paired with a CVT transmission. While it's not a performance SUV, it delivers smooth city driving and excellent fuel efficiency. The interior is spacious with 41 inches of rear legroom, allowing for a comfortable ride for 3 passengers. 39.3 cubic feet of cargo space, expanding to 76.5 cubic feet when the seats are folded. While it doesn't have luxury-level materials, Honda's build quality and smart design make it one of the best compact SUVs in 2025. The SUV market in 2025 is more competitive than ever. Some models are stepping up with cutting-edge technology, reliability, and real value for your money, while others fail to justify their price tags and could leave you with endless headaches. So, which side would you rather be on? Will you go for an SUV that keeps you confident on the road, or risk ending up with one that spends more time in the shop than in your driveway? Your choice today could save you thousands tomorrow. Let us know in the comments. Which SUV on this list shocked you the most? And if you're considering buying one soon, which model has caught your attention? Before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss the latest car insights, breakdowns, and must-know tips before your next purchase. Stay smart, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next one.